Feeling overwhelmed by Upwork and not sure where to start looking for your first job? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find suitable opportunities as a beginner and land your first project. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Starting on Upwork can feel intimidating, but with the right approach, you can find great entry-level opportunities that match your skills. Let me show you the beginner-friendly way to navigate the job market. First, log into your Upwork account and look for the Find Work tab in the top navigation. Click on it, and you'll see several options, but as a beginner, you'll want to focus on Find Work or Recommended for you. Start by filtering jobs to show entry-level experience. This is crucial because these jobs are specifically looking for newcomers and are more open to giving people their first chance. You'll find this filter under the Experience Level section in the job search filters. Next, pay attention to the My Feed section. Upwork's algorithm customizes this based on your profile skills and preferences. The more you use Upwork and indicate your interests, the better your feed becomes at showing you relevant opportunities. A crucial pro tip: don't just look at the job title, read the full description carefully. Look for clients who mention they're open to beginners or those who value enthusiasm and willingness to learn over extensive experience. These are your best bets for getting started. Set realistic expectations for your first few proposals. You might need to consider slightly lower rates or smaller projects to build your reputation. Remember, your goal is to get those first few 5-star reviews that will open doors to better opportunities. And just like that, you're ready to start finding opportunities that match your beginner status. Everyone starts somewhere, and with persistence, you'll build your freelance career. If this beginner's guide gave you confidence, please give it a like. What type of entry-level work are you looking for first? Share your goals in the comments below. To become a search pro, subscribe for our next video on how to master Upwork job search filters. Thanks for watching.